Going on, ladies and gentlemen, and my name is Nick Bartel, editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the SkullCandy Jib True wireless earbuds. This second generation of the Jib True series offers a very much improved battery life, better improved sound quality, and other various features. Taking a look around the box, as you can see, we have several things. SkullCandy logo, a QR code which you can scan here. Okay, totally wireless, essential. We have true wireless earbuds, 33-hour battery life, control plus music plus calls. Pretty much all your basic features on the front with the product picture, the product himself. SkullCandy, 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 SkullCandy. On the right side is where you're going to see all your various things that come with this. You also get more feature lists on the back, including the product itself. It also shows on the very top 100% recyclable everything, so they're very environmental friendly. All the baloney and all blah 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 stuff you have to see on the back. Now it features feature Bluetooth 2.0, auto on connect, call back, and blah 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 blah. Like a lot of the stuff you saw with the Dime series, this also features. Now I'm actually going to use my long fingernails to get this little guy open. Okay. Set that to the side. Now here, it's really something really cool. You get a nice SkullCandy manual here, which looks very sharp and tells you exactly how to use these. A user's guide. The Jib 2 true wireless earbuds. They're looking very sharp. Extra silicone tips. And a standard micro USB cable. A very, very small micro USB cable. And this is what you get with the SkullCandy Jib 2. Jib True 2 true wireless earbuds. This is what you get with the SkullCandy Jib True 2 true wireless earbuds. Thank you guys so much for watching the video unboxing of this product, SkullCandy product. If you like this video, you know what to do. You hit that like button if you like this video. That dislike button if you did not like the video. And if you adore it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow! Right in the kisser. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you for the video review of the SkullCandy Jib True 2 wireless earbuds.